Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to show you how you can make your room aesthetic with AliExpress. If you don't know me or my channel, I love AliExpress. I buy a lot from AliExpress and a lot from this wall is as well from AliExpress. I made this video before as an Amazon edition in which I showed you many cheap things from Amazon that you can use to make your room aesthetic, but I thought this time let's do it from AliExpress. But anyways, let's just get started. Of course, everything that I show you in this video will be linked down below in the description so you can buy some of them for yourself if you want to. Let's start with what I have on my wall. First of all, the New York poster. It's so one of my favorites. I bought this from a seller. This person sells posters like these from many different cities, so it's so incredibly cool. So this one's from New York, but they have so many different ones. As you can see, they have like kind of the capital cities. It turned out so pretty in real life. I'm not sure which size I have actually. It's not really that expensive, depends on what size you buy, but I'm so happy with this one and I love it. I love it. I have one right here that you can't see, but if you know me, then you might know this one. It's a poster with my zodiac sign, and I love this one so much because of the style that they made this in. I love like the drawing style and I love the colors, and I just think it's so pretty. I'm a Sagittarius. I love the Scorpio one. It's so cool with the hands like that, but I just love all of them. They all look so good. Then another poster right here from Friends. They had a few different posters and I gotta say I love them all. If you're a Friends fan like me, this is really great. The one that I have, the door is blue, while in the show it's purple. I don't mind, I love it. I also love like the movie poster style. I think that's so cool. It was really hard to choose. I love them all, but this one is just so iconic. Then, as you may have noticed, I have many different smaller pictures on my wall as well. And this is actually a set collage set kit thing. You have this in many different styles, but this is the one I bought. It's kind of peachy slash blue turquoise colors. Oh my god, it's so good. The pictures turned out so good. The quality is so good. The colors are so beautiful. I'm so obsessed with this collage. So if you love it, I definitely recommend you buying it, and it's really not expensive at all. Like I said, you have those collage kits in many different styles, so I have a few other ones. This one is really beach vibes. I also love this one so much. I really wasn't sure if I wanted to get this one or the one that I have right now. It's really pretty. This one's kind of different. This one has more tan colors, more beige colors, and this one's also really pretty. I think this would also look really good in real life. And what you also have is something like this. It's a little different. It's not like a complete collage, all kind of the same picture thingies. I also really like this, and this one's actually very cheap, but you have a lot less pictures than with these kind of collages. But to be honest, I used just a small part of what I got, so you know. And if you like something more like this, you can just click on the link of this one and look at the recommended ones beneath it. But this also really cute. If you're a Friends fan like me, I also have a different Friends poster for you. I love the style of them and they're really pretty, and I think they will look really great in real life. Fing, your lobster, smelly cat. It looks really great. I'll just show you a few pictures of the posters that I have in here. I really want to buy some of these myself for my desk makeover. I just love the whole manifestation, happiness vibes. They're really cute. Also these, like the ones with the butterflies and love yourself. They're so pretty. I love these kind of designs. I will link them all down below. You can find them all in the wish list. Then what you also have is just a set of kind of everything. This one has different posters in different sizes. They also have like fake vinyls that you can put up on your wall, and they also have these fake vines that you can also put up. It's just awesome, especially if you just don't have a really big budget. I just came across this, but I actually thought it's kind of funny and also kind of nice to have. Maybe also really handy if you're in school, if you're a student and you sometimes have to hang up your to-do list or your agenda or whatever. I believe they have a small one and a bigger one. This is really nice, really handy. Then we also have vines, of course, fake vines. Overall, plants are just aesthetic, either fake or real. They're just part of the whole aesthetic room thing. They do have different ones. They even have ones with fairy lights in them, so that's really cool. Then I also have two mirrors. First of all, the heart mirror. How could I not? I also want to buy one of these. I probably will. They're so cool. They're so pretty. I love them. You see them on Pinterest everywhere. They have red, 2 shades of pink, purple, and white. Plenty of choice. Then I also came across this one. It's a mirror in the shape of a cloud, and I thought it looked so cool. I've never seen this before, but I really liked it, and I thought this is actually so aesthetic. I thought let's put it in here because why not? Especially if you have more wooden things. That looks really good. Like the matching part makes it it'll look 10 times better. Then we have this clock. You can hang it up on the wall, I think, but you can also just put it somewhere, like on your nightstand or whatever. This one has it in 4 different colors: white, pink, green, and red. I really love it. I had to include a neon sign. I have this love. I was thinking about buying it, but I ended up not doing it. I really like it. They actually have 2 different styles, I guess. They have this one, and they also have this one. The first one is also available in red, and the second one isn't. There's warm white, pink, and blue. It looks so good. It's so pretty. I love neon signs. If there's one neon sign I'm obsessed with, it's this one. Oh my god. I love the warm white, the yellowish one. They have it in blue, red, pink, purple, green, warm white, and white. If I'd buy a neon sign, it would probably be this one. Then I also got the LED strip lights, which I have as well. I'm not gonna link these down below because they're actually not working so great anymore, and I've just had them for a few months, but I will link these down below. They have different options. They have just the simplest one with a remote control. Then they also have one with Wi-Fi control, so like I think you have an app on your phone. One with also an app and a different remote control. I'm not really sure what the differences are, but okay. You're so not gonna regret buying this if you are. I also had to include this lamp. It's so popular. It's all over Pinterest and everything. This is actually like a dupe. The original one, I believe, is from Urban Outfitters. They have a smaller one which is 35 euros, and they have a bigger one which is 76 euros, which is absolutely insane because in size it's not that much of a difference, so I think it's absolutely insane. But it is really cute and aesthetic, I have to say. I'm so obsessed with it. Then I also wanted to include this. I've seen this multiple times and I like it. I don't know if I would buy it, but it's definitely very aesthetic and really pretty. I just really like the design of this. I think it's so pretty. Oh my god, they have a mermaid. I mean, I like the pearl better, but it's cool that they also have a mermaid. The next one is this one. I've always thought about buying this. I just never have before, but this is so cool. If you hang it in front of your window and the sun shines on it, it shines on your wall, and it's so cool. The reflection is just really pretty. But if your sun shines in the window all the time, then this might be really, really cool for you. I came across this recently and I actually thought this was really cool. There are books which you can open up and you can put stuff inside. I found books that you also can open up, but you can use them as decoration. I just thought this was so cool. Like, you can just buy a few and even use it as storage or not, and you can just put stuff on top of it, or you can just put it as if they're actual books in like a bookcase. I really love it. Then this is also completely random, but I've seen this a couple of times and I thought it's really cool and handy, especially if you use your iPad a lot. It's basically just a stand for your iPhone and iPad. I do want to buy this one for my iPhone. I just think it looks really cool. But I've also seen these a lot on Pinterest, so I thought I'd include them because they're also really not expensive. I saw this and I just had to include it. I just thought this was so pretty. It looked really good. So they have different styles, but this one's definitely my favorite. I like the shiny stuff. They also have one with the text on it, "Let's be mermaids." Then they also have these shell trays in white. They have this one at 3 sizes actually. And then completely random, they have a golden tray and a silver tray, but this can also definitely be really aesthetic. Next one is this. They're those crates which are also so popular and everywhere on Pinterest. I'm also gonna buy these as well for my desk makeover. They're so pretty. I love the colors as well. They have green, blue, yellow, pink, and orange, and they have a smaller size and a bigger size. They just look really good, especially if you're going for the whole pastel vibe thing, and you can use this for so many things. I'm definitely gonna buy a few of these. Then these are also so cool, especially if you're into the whole like artsy aesthetic. Then this is really great. You can use them for many different things. They have different ones and also some in different sizes, which is really great. They're not so expensive. This is great as decoration and they look really funny. Then what I also found on AliExpress are these bubble candles. These are also so popular and they're really cool. I mean, I kind of get the hype. I do like them, and they have different colors. They even have this one with 3 different colors. They have that in purple, blue, and pink, but they also have just even ones with completely blue, pink, and white, and lilac. They look really good, and I was actually surprised to find this. The last one that I wanted to include are these. I really love this. I mean, if this is your style, this is so cool. They're not so expensive, which is also really nice. Oh my god, this color. They also have an angel, and they also have this. It's kind of like the face kind of thing that I just showed you. I really like this. I showed you so many things and I did not show you everything at all. I also had fake plants, cute sheets and everything. I definitely recommend you to check out the wish list. Anyways, I hope you like this video. If you like my room decor videos, then I have more videos for you. I have a lot of videos on room decor, and if you liked it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to become a part of the family, and I hope I will see you next time.